Alright guys, let's see this study by Ponziani, famous Italian chess player and composer, who opposing to Philidor was trying to play more with pieces other than to play with pawns. And so in this position it's white's turn to move, and white obviously is losing this game. There are three pawns down, and their king is terrible, black's king is good, and they have to find only chance to draw this game. So if you try from this side of the board, then I'm afraid that the king will just escape the checks, and king here is normally very safe. Obviously the exchange of queens doesn't give anything to white, because it's opposite color bishops, but it's just 3 pawns is losing immediately. So it's not the best. Let's see this diagonal, what it says to us. It says that this king and this queen are aligned, and we can try to skewer them. So the first move is bishop to f2, attacking the queen and king, and obviously the only move is to play e3. Now again, it looks pretty good for black. If white tries to check this king, again it runs away, and this king is very open, so we can try to capture this, but I think that this position should be really easily winning by black. The engine gives like -4 for black, so it's not working out. So let's go back. So the idea for white here is to stalemate white's king, so white takes. Black has to take, because otherwise they lose the queen, so they have to take this. And this is the move of the game which saves white. So again, checking doesn't give anything, king just runs away. The correct move here is to place the queen where white's king cannot move, so it's the move queen to f2. Obviously black has to take, otherwise they lose the game, as they cannot protect their queen. So they capture here, and the next move lets white win. So obviously not taking, because it's not a check, and black can just check white, and there is no possible stalemate. But a5, and it gives away a tempo, so black is in check, they're not in time to check white, so they take here, and it's stalemate. Yeah, look, just king cannot go anywhere, this queen controls everything, and miraculously white draws the game. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you next time.